again, everybody! This is Dinami Wolf, and today we are playing some more Mother 3! I actually tried to record this previously, and I screwed it up. But, we're gonna try this once more. Alright, so we're gonna be heading to the desert house. Home of the desert people. And I know what's there, but do you? No, you don't, because that recording didn't happen. Unless if you played this game, then you know perfectly well what's there. I ran into a dung beetle. This is, like, you're so weak. Why am I so weak? It's just not even funny. So, when we get up here, we have to face off against that, which is apparently a cactus wolf. Aquarius bracelet, can I put that on? Will that make me stronger? Am I strong yet? Am I strong yet? That's... Oh, I didn't put that on? No wonder I was taking such damage last time. Put on the Aquarius bracelet. There. Maybe now I can take a hit better. Hello there, wolf. Listen, a monkey! That's a cactus wolf! The meanest thing in the desert! Ho-ho! But we can't get inside with him standing there! Go beat him up! Lose and I'll have an extra serving of punishment ready just for you! You know, I believe more in positive reinforcement. How about you just offer me a frickin' banana or something? Okay. I did such harm to him, I'm doing good already. Why is the... Ah, shoot. Shoot, 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 don't die, don't die. If you die, monkey, I will punish you myself. Okay. Don't hide in my shadow, you stupid jackass! I hate him so much! Here, use the running bomb. Maybe I can make that work out for me. There, I did under 12 damage. And I took damage from a cactus headbutt. Use the nut bread. Don't hurt me! Stop hurting me, you jackass! Oh shit, 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 shit! Ah! We're not ready for him. Well, I did get some dung, so let's go ahead and give it to him. And I need to get some more shit, probably. Is there like a place that I can buy or take it from? Yay, 5 experience points. Yay, I leveled up. Okay, so... Is there anything that drops like beef jerky out here? I could use some more of that. Do you drop beef jerky or do you just drop poo? Well, I'm probably gonna have to cut recording here to, you know, grind a bit. Some nut bread. Yay. So, yeah. I'll be catching up with you when I am done grinding. Oh, that's what he looks like from behind? Oh my gosh. Wow. He looks just as creepy from behind. Oh! And we're back to the cactus wolf. Yeah, I get it. Alright, we're back at the cactus wolf. And I'm still not doing very much, but I did level up a little bit. So, is there like anything I can do? Will the dance, like, make him... Will I trick him with the dance? Yeah! Hey, I tricked him into dancing! He's lost in the moment! And I can't get a frickin' combo! No, don't stop, don't stop. Keep dancing! Alright, so let's try to make him laugh now. Oh. You don't find me funny? I find myself hilarious. No, I really don't. Hey, the wolf is cheering! Woo! Woo! Wolf in the house say, oh! Wolf in the house say, woo! Oh, I got 2 hits on him. Okay, let's use that time that he's cheering to use the nut bread. Whoops. Did I click on the nut bread? Yeah, okay. Cactus Wolf lost interest. And here comes another Cactus Headbutt. Facade is resting. Hey! Wake up or I'll punish you! Yeah, he doesn't like my performance. Ah. So I'm just gonna... Ah, shit. Well, guess it's better than nothing. Haha! We blew a wolf up! Actually, it just became tame. But I say blew up into a big white light. 143 experience, level 9. I believe I was 5 before I came here. Wow. So, beef jerky! Yay, more of that. I just said I need more of that. You have anything to say about that? No? Nah, didn't figure. Let's go. I'd be worried about the pig people, but apparently we're with them now. Continue! Sure, sure. Hey, don't push. Don't push. Let's not go into space, though. I get space sick, too. You know, I said my girlfriend does. I kind of get space sick, too. Oh, good. Good. Creepy lab. I can practically hear alien. No problem there. Except for this present. Bug spray! Woo! Fight the cockroach! Hola! It's me again! Nice to see you again! You forget about me? Ha! Yeah, you don't forget about me! Oh, ah! Oh, you crushed me. I think I need to let that get all the way up, otherwise I'm wasting it. 69! Ah! No! Senor Cockroach! No, don't do it! Hey! Let's try to make him dance. Ah! Ha! Oh, his offense just decreased. Okay. Works for me. Don't do that. Spread its wings and charged. Haha, we dodged though. Haha! Sorry, cockroach. Some more experience. What's in the present? What's in the present? An underground map. So can I bring the map up now? Yeah, I can. What do we got here? Hey, you stupid monkey! Look here! What? What are we looking at? This is a high-tech vehicle known as the pork bean. Okay. Okay, yeah. Doesn't look much like a bean, though. We're going to take it to an unbelievably uncivilized village called Tazmily. It'll take an incredibly long time to get there on foot. But with this pork bean, we'll get there in the blink of an eye! What's a no-hee-hee-hee? I don't get it. What is it? You get that? Not really. But okay. Use a lot just to get down there. Alright, but first I'm gonna... This is a wonderful device called an instant revitalizing machine. In only a few seconds, it'll fully revitalize you just like a good night's sleep. Under normal circumstances, it'd be wasted on a stupid monkey like you. But I'll give you a special permission to use it now. What's in here? Beef jerky! Yay! And ancient banana. Hop, save your game. Do it! Do it! Well, please be careful out there. Give my regards to the next frog you meet. Okay, okay. I will. Don't worry. Yes. Revitalize me. I would love a machine like that. That'd be awesome. Just step in it, it's like I had a full night's sleep. That would be cool. Alright, let's get back onto the... Well, let's get on... For the first time, let's get onto the pork bean. Hey! Don't get in yet, you stupid monkey! Why? Alright, listen up! When you want to stop the pork bean while it's moving, press a B. So I get to drive it? That's pretty cool. While it's stopped, press the B again to get out. You get all that? Yeah, I get it. Pretty simple. Then get in! Get in the pork bean? Yeah! I don't see why not. Holy crap, I do get the... It doesn't ever stop. It doesn't actually stop, though. It'll just keep moving until I press B. That's pretty interesting. Whoa! Hello there. Haha! Murder! How does nobody see these roads? Seriously, how does nobody notice these? Here, let's get out and fight this dude. Whoops. Well, guess not. Haha! Haha! Whoa, tanks. Can I drive those? Hey, let me out. Let me out. I want to get into the tank. Let me out. I want to get into the tank. Let me into the tank. Come on. This is one of the pig's vehicles. It's probably best not to touch it. No! I want to drive the tank. Oh, what's down here, though? Oh, more presents. 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 Nut bread! And... chick banana. Chick bandana. Ha 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 ha! I don't know how to words. Why is it called the chick bandana? Is it like a bandana that girls are supposed to wear or something? Can I like drive this through that gate? Alright, let's go through the tube. More things to kill. So little time. What's here? Bug spray! If these are bugs, I can take them out in, well, not one shot probably, but rather easily. I can't hold another running bomb. Those are good though. I don't like the ancient bananas. So let's go ahead and get that running bomb. And let's fight these three-eyed freaks. Hello? Am I still pretty? Am I still pretty? Hello? Oh, it's so painful. The gooey goo edge goes, don't touch me. Do not touch me. Don't touch. Ah, it touched me. Ew, 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 ew. It's getting close there. Oh no, don't get any good. Don't hide behind me. Hey, I got 2 hits. Yes, digestive fluids. Oh man. Aha, 3 hits. I'm getting better. I'm getting better. Ew, more digested fluids. Alright, killed. Killed. We killed him. We're safe now. Level 10. HP, offense, defense, blah blah blah. Present, mosquito charm. Opportunity cannot carry much. Do you want to? Yeah, I guess. So, show me what. Can you show me what this does? Well, I'd use it. Whatever. And dead. That's just it. Straight up dead. So, how's the mosquito charm? It's a better one. Why wouldn't I take that then? Can I go over to you? Can I put a fleet charm on you? Alright, let's use this nut bread to give Diddy another boost in his health. And let's climb the ladder. Oh, it's the graveyard again. Huh. Pretty cool. Pretty interesting. So that's how they got here. To the south of the cemetery is the village! There's a place called the Yodel Inn, where we could stay the night. That's where we're headed now. Alright, but before we go to the Yodel Inn, we're gonna have to wait till the next episode. Thanks for watching, guys and girls. If you enjoyed what you saw, please remember to leave a nice little like, comment, and subscribe. Come back for some more next time. And thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all later.